back for another how-to on this wonderful event. We'll see how far my how far Bob here can get, and for this day, for its first technical day. Um, I shouldn't have very much issue, but we'll see. And I don't bother much my base's actual defenses. Let's see here. You all go here. And then, see, screw that. You know what? Go aggressive. I have noticed though the new units on this event are highly susceptible to shock. At least the ground, at least the tanks are. So something to keep in mind. Right. Go, go. First tier, tier C, really, really easy to do. I don't think there should be any issue for anybody, really, for the most part, on tier C. Um, let's see, do I have option to go after? No, I do not have the option to get the hero on this one. That was event only. Damn. Alright. But yeah, this new unit here, nice as it is, one shock unit shuts it down. It is highly susceptible to shock. Let's see here. Send. I always use these guys for that. The great for handling those things. We'll send this unit there. And then send you there. You can go back to base. Perfect. Thankfully, these are so easy. One unit can take care of them. If you don't have a Titan, Banshee's the next best thing. Don't have Banshees, then you're kind of gonna probably have to fall back onto use of hover tanks. Hover tanks should be able to do these fairly easy too. I'll throw them out as well. Send them to the south. Short work with hover tanks. really do need to upgrade their speed. So I should do in this next chance I get. I haven't upgraded Bob in like forever. So this is a fairly weak account, if you want to call it weak. We'll make the first video of just the run through, basic run through. After this, we're going to go ahead and show how I can burn through the next tier with the aid of ops, because I'm pretty certain I'm not going to be able to get very far with just my basic stuff on this account. You should be in place to do your cave. And the first tier stuff's pretty simple. It's just tedious. One big benefit, though, I've noticed it with these the first two tiers, they don't have mines, so you don't have to worry about clearing mines out. I know a friend of mine has got has a little bit higher level than this, and they're able to do up to and including, I think it was 85. I think they're going to try to finish off. They're able to do everything but the defense wave on the third tier, because the defense wave on the third tier is a pain in the butt. Let's see here. You. Yeah, the defense wave on tier A, ungodly, dude. It's not something most people will be able to clear. Defense wave on B, easy, easy. Just make sure you have shock drones, and you're good. If you have wing drones with shock on them, the warhorse just stops dead, and sits there and just eats massive damage. So that is the key for the tier B's defense wave. Um, Plus, having any other sort of damage you can pull to the front once it's disabled is extremely helpful for speeding it up. But to take it out, shock, 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 and oh yeah, more shock. I do love my hover tanks. They make things so easy. You just spew death and they're done. The special forces, their weakness, of course, is stun. So if you have stun missiles, that makes them easier to do in most cases. And this will finish off this group. We'll go ahead and send them out. Just that damn good. And actually, always good idea to attack the spot right in front of it. Helps keep them from activating the plasma turret. Bam. going to use this as a wrap up for Teir C. I'm going to do these by tier. So there'll be a recording for Teir C. There'll be a recording for Teir B. And if I even attempt to Teir C on this, I'll have to do a recording for that. But for this tier, this is Kit signing off. Talk to you guys later. And thank you for stopping by to see the first portion of this Covenant event that Bob here has tackled. Thank you for stopping by. See you later.